Yo, we got the Nuggets versus Kings. Fifth game out of 6 today. No De'Aaron Fox in this one. Definitely expect the Nuggets to get the W. Let's see how it goes. Rest of all the games part of this. Still got the Lakers, Clippers later. I cannot wait to watch that one. So yeah, let's see how the defending champs play today. Is Jokic MVP right now? Is Jokic MVP? Yeah. Let me know. Sabonis. Okay. Malik. Ooh. Hey, with the left. Okay. So you. Monk. Fake. Pull up. Bang out. I don't know how I feel about Malik Monk. He is nice. Jokic. The lob to Watson. Okay. Watson dude's been playing his role and I give him a lot of credit. Christian Brown. I saw Stephen A. put Jamal Murray on his list of stars to make the impact in the playoffs. I think dispersed or something like that, some list like that. And I 100% agree. I 100% agree. We saw what he did last year. We know how good this team is when he is at his A game. This team kind of depends on him in the playoffs because obviously Jokic can't do it alone. But when he has Murray, it's very, very, very likely. We saw that what happened when he had Murray all those years. Jokic couldn't get it done, but the one year he did have Murray healthy, it was enough. And Murray's not even an all-star, so you know, crazy. I 100% agree. Murray is really, really good and key part, and when he's balling, sheesh. I can't unsee what I saw, man, in the playoffs last year. He's really good. Okay, Watson. Alright. I gotta get someone going here tonight, though. King's doing their thing right now. Okay, Malik with the left. Sabonis is so good, man. Sabonis is so good. Jokic. Jokic MVP right now, what do y'all think? Gordon. Okay. Look at Jokic running the floor, man. I love it. Good pass. Gordon. No, he's not passing. No, he's not passing that. Mouse in the house. Mouse in the house. Sabonis. Ooh, come on. Okay. He definitely deserves it. He wasn't an all-star either. Crazy. Biggest snub, bro. They had Cat in there, bro. That's crazy. KCP. KCP. Gordon. A Baron. Okay. And Nuggets back just like that. They're winning this game. And they're winning this game. Sheesh. Jokic. That boy different, man. That. Sabonis! Oh, he missed it, but he got it back. Hey. Done. He always gets away with it, huh? Easy. Sheesh. Under to Murray. Murray was a real all-star. He is giving out buckets now. Holy shit. Okay, Carter. Small got 20 on 8 for 10 shooting. Holy shit. Good pass. Okay, Barnes. Murray's got it. 6 to shoot. Murray in the lane. Holy crap, bro. Jamal Murray at his best. You say he's got the best turnaround jumper? It's Elvin Hayes. Jokic. Jokic. At 12, 10, and 6. Okay. Just like that, it's a 20-point game. Sheesh. That's tough. That's tough. Oh my gosh, Porter. Oh my gosh, Porter. That. Murray's different. How many times do I gotta say it? He's him! He's him! Stop playing with that boy! Let's go! That's it, I'm about to be out of here, man. There's no point in watching a blowout. But Murray is balling right now, so I kinda like watching that. Okay. I don't know who's beating the Nuggets, bro. I just don't. Oh my gosh, that offense is just too good, bro. KCP don't even gotta do shit, bro. It's actually crazy. He just gotta stand there all day and get it like once or twice a game, bro. And play some defense. Oh my goodness, it's a 30-point game. Why the starter still in? I'm about to say, hey, why is Jokic still in, bro? I'm out of here, bro. I'm absolutely gone. Murray still in, I don't know why. Sheesh. Sheesh. Murray with 32. Damn. Let me know your thoughts.